back to my channel. It's your girl Jazz, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video and comment on this video, you guys. Today I got one of my Mother's Day gifts. It is the KKW and Kris fragrance, you guys, and I'm a little skeptical about this because I've tried their other fragrances and the Diamond collection, and I love the Chloe and I love the Courtney perfume, but I could not stand the Kim perfume. It just wasn't, it didn't smell good to me. So I got this for a Mother's Day gift, and as you know, we can't go anywhere and smell it, so I have no idea what this smells like, and I'm a little scared because I'm used to smelling my perfume before I get it, so I have no idea what this smells like. So, creamy cashmere woods and glistening golden amber hug the skin for an unforgettable and everlasting impression. So I'm guessing it says on here that it has gardenia and tuberose, so I'm guessing it's gonna be more of like a floral scent. So let me get right into it and open it up, you guys. I'm probably gonna throw this box away because I can't never open stuff right, and it's already tearing up. Okay, the bottle's real cute. I love it. It's like a mom and daughter on the box, and I like it. I think it's really cute. It's really small, but it's got it on both the front and the back. See the mom on the front and the back. So let's get right into it, you guys, because I'm like so excited to smell this and see what it smells like. Okay, I can't really smell anything right now, but let's see. Ooh,
that smells good.
Yeah, it's definitely a floral scent. Oh, but yeah, it smells good. It kind of puts me in the mind of, let me pull it out. It kind of reminds me of this. It kind of reminds me of the Chloe. Like, it's kind of got that same smell to it a little bit, but this seems like it's more intense. But yeah, this smells good. I would definitely have bought this. Now, if it's gonna stay, hopefully it stays all day, because I like my perfumes to stay all day. I don't want it to just, when I put it on, it's gone in the next hour. But this definitely smells good, you guys. I'm definitely excited, and I'm definitely happy. Yeah, I like it. I think it smells good. Yes,
Kim and Kris, y'all did your thing. Okay,
I love it. Yes, it smells good. Okay, so one thing about this top, y'all, I did not know this top was this heavy. Okay, this top is heavy. Like, if you can hear, like, it definitely sounds like it's made out of some kind of ceramic or something. Like, it's heavy. It's not light. Like, I feel like the weight of this bottle comes from just the top alone, because I did not know it was that heavy, because as you can see, it made a loud noise when it hit the floor. But yeah, you guys, make sure,
if you want to smell good for your man, girl,
get this, because it smells so good. Okay, I love it. Even though it's small, I feel like they should have came out with a bigger bottle. But I mean, I guess it's good for the price, because it's only $40. So that's reasonable, because I've seen a lot of other fragrances that are 1 fluid ounce and they're like $80, $70, $80. So yeah, it's reasonable, you guys. So make sure you get this. As always, you guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you comment, make sure you like this video, and always don't forget to what? Come back. Bye, guys.